Function short key F1 to F12 shortcut keys. F1 open the help screen. F2 rename any file or folder. F3 open the search function in internet browser and my computer. F4 with Alt close the current document or file and shut down PC. F5 refresh computer. F6 go to or highlight address bar in most internet browser. F7 check spelling and grammar in MS Office. F8 safe mode boot menu and F8 key press 5 times for select the whole document in MS Word. F9 refresh or remove select document in MS Word. F10 active menu bar in MS Office and Shift plus F10 is the same as right clicking. F11 enter and exit full screen mode in internet browser and Paint. F12 open the save as dialog box in MS Office.